Hey everyone, today I have a swap share. I'm sending this out to my friend Zara, who is on Instagram and on YouTube, Miss S Snail Mail. So we're doing garden party, obviously, and this is everything I'm sending her. I love everything, how it came out, and I'm really excited for her to get it. And I tried a new tutorial. I'll have the link below. It was really fun to do. A few of the girls, I think, have made that also. So let's get into it. First, I'm gonna show you guys the bead box I made her. It is an altered Dollar Tree pink box, and I made the paper trim banner, and then I made a little butterfly, made a bunch of butterflies, sent her some too. Then I have that Maggie Holmes embroidery thing in the background. I forget what you call that. It's like a bow. I have a couple left. And then I have this tulle someone had gifted me. It's already ruffled, so I just put that behind with some Hobby Lobby trim. Oh yeah, I'm also including Hobby Lobby trim for her. It just came in today, so I forgot to put it out. Then I have her name and this new die. Well, it's new to me. Craft Bird House showed it and everyone uses it, so I cut it out in gold. Tried to do a lot of gold accents. Trim here. Yeah, so kept it kind of simple. Did some sewing, and then inside it's full of fun beads and things. I always decorate the top because I don't like how the other side shows through. So there it says beautiful, and these are all her beautiful things I'm sending her. These are wire wrapped, ready to go for her. Some charms I made, I glued the veil to. Then I have some bows. I'm not going to go in detail, but I'm sure she'll be doing a video too. Then just some other charms from Allie, some striped beads, regular beads, fruit charms, and tons of metal charms for her. All right, I hope shipping everything stays intact. I just wrapped this up. I guess I'll open it. This is a garden party journal. Everyone knows I make these and I sell them. I think I made 3 of these or 2 this season. This, you know what I mean, this year. So here's a charm. This was actually made by Patchwork Paper, Haley, and I kept most of them on, but there was like a couple different ones that I changed. I added the bow and this one here and the cute bumblebee. And then here's a cover, nice and simple, tons of pom-pom. I did a little different on this one. I put some butterflies inside and I did like a see-through. There's a flip through of this on my Instagram. See, I did like butterfly here, and then I did like a see-through shaker. A little teeny one here. I love how this journal came out. That's my double. I did a little red in there. I love that you can do pops of black with these colors. Little clip with some tickets. One of those is a sewn acetate ticket. Vellum. Another little pocket. So I kept it simple. She can embellish it however she likes. And my zipper pouch. And there's the back. This cute tulle trim. I got this from AliExpress as well. I love it. So there's that. Excuse me. This is, so I had this die. You know how Ali sent, you buy like dies and they're pretty large and they like fill in the spaces with like random words. So this one said Happy Mail. It's the first time I used it, and I really like how it came out. So I just like threw this tag together to go on there. I think it came out cute. Inside, I think, I hate that I have to open all this. I think there's a pen in here that I made, like a beaded pen. Oh, I glued this together. So you're not gonna be able to see this, but wait for Zara's video. Here's a sequence tower put together for her. Some beautiful colors. This is just some of those paper ribbon banners that I put on a tag inside of this bag that was gifted me by my friend Pam. And I just put 2 of the ephemera pieces on there. This is a loaded pocket. It's so hard to take pictures of because I feel like, sorry, that's my cat. I feel like it looks kind of messy when you take a photo. But yeah, I'm not going to pull everything out. There's a bunch of boutique charms from my friend Pam on there. Some ephemera, some little tags. Oh, Lord. Oh, my cat just, okay. All right, so then I have a bow from Sparkling Ghoul, I believe. And then a butterfly I made. I love this cut. And then just some different embellishments. Oh, and here I did some of the clay sequins, and I just put the washi on top of these. There's 3 of them. Yeah, so there's that. And then this, there is a picture. Oh, he's knocking everything down. Oh boy. This is the charm. Sorry, now I'm getting like nervous. Okay, he knocked this down. That was a gift from my friend. All right, here I have some butterfly die cuts and some ribbon trim inside. And I just put a little ticket embellishment, and then I made this charm. So let me show you guys. Maybe this is a pen, actually. And this is just a dollar store metal container. Thought it was super cute. So I'm not going to take all these out. There's pictures on my Instagram, but I just put some shred and then the altered ticket that I made. So there's that. This is some trim that I gifted her on a tag. And then another charm that I made. This is, oh, hold on. I gotta get him out of here 1 second. Sorry about that. That's the worst, and I don't know how to edit videos, but it's okay. This is a altered embroidery hoop. Put some gold around it. I love this. These are really easy to make. Super simple. Just throw the acetate, glue it on. I put a little banner here. This beautiful bow again from Sparkling Ghoul. And I just love how it came out. So, and then she could hang it up if she likes. All right, now I'll get to the bigger things. This is Christian's Crafty Adventures. I made 2 of these last Christmas. It's an embellishment book box, and they're so fun to make. You can fill it up with anything. This is what I did. So I put a couple doilies and then some embellishments, and then I did a seam binding tie. And then it's like it's a book, but it has a box. So here I just put this, and here's the box. And then I put a vellum on top of acetate that I got on clearance from Joann's a while back when everyone was posting. I love how the vellum ephemera looks on the acetate. It goes really good. So again, this is all covered up. But there's some Hishi beads, some rolled flowers I made, some different cabochons, tassels, some gold, what is there, findings and things, and then some bows. So that is that. And you can make these, oh my gosh, for any holiday or whatever. I might even do a Halloween one. I'll tie that after. So I should probably move this because this is large. Okay, I'm spacing on the name, Wendy. I believe her name's Wendy. And she did a tutorial on this. It's so amazing. Again, I used a bow. I did some layering on the top. So, what is this called? It's like an acetate cover book. Look at this tassel. So I made this loose, like not glued together, so she can pull out trims if she wants. And there's just tons of different ones, and she can use them if she likes. It's sequins all the way around, every side. And this took me probably 10 hours, like a whole day of like working on it, but it was so worth it. And then I put this banner on here, super cute. Just some fun layering. I love these flowers that come in the collection. I wish I had another pack. 2 little tags, bunch of ephemera pieces. So funny, not funny, but she uses the snaps, and you'll see in here I did use one inside, but I made this before my snap thing came in, so I wasn't able to take this piece off, so I use Velcro, but I think it works okay. But you're supposed to use a snap. And then I just put some layering on the inside here. So here's all the pretty sequins. I put some butterflies in there, some different things. It comes out really, really pretty. So what did I do over here? Over here I made this acetate pocket that I sewn together. Put a butterfly, some tickets, and I just have some tags in here with seam binding. And then over here, I ordered that envelope die that she uses, but again, AliExpress takes 3 years, so I wasn't able to use it because I have to send this out. So I just made an envelope, like I just folded it, cut this, put the snap here, pretty easy. And then inside, I just included some fun paper clips and some jemmies, one slid. Don't you hate that? I could fix that later. And then she uses this. It's a die from Ali, and this is from there too. I actually had this, and it comes with everything. You just screw it into the mini album that you make. And doesn't that look cool? So you just glue it to the paper. So I have that. And I made this so everything's removable. She can turn it into a mini album if she likes, or whatever. There's 4 packs of sequin mix. Just a little charm here. So this can be removed, obviously. And then I made her some rosettes. And here I have a wooden heart that I put I decoupaged some of the paper from the collection. Then I have some bows from Sparkling Glue again. And they're all in pouches, and you just peel this off and you're ready to go. And this is a tassel that was gifted to me, so I put it there with a butterfly. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you made it through, and hopefully you like everything I made. I am really happy with all of the items, and I cannot wait to receive from her because she is so talented. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.